Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit.
Today I'm making a Southern classic, Hush Puppies. But these aren't your average, typical Hush Puppies. These are Hush Puppies with a kick. So let's get started.
In a large bowl, add 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Along with all-purpose flour, 1 egg. Normally at this point you'd add milk, but I'm going to add Frank's Red Hot. And Frank's Red Hot is what I was told they used. I guess you could use any kind of hot sauce you like. Now get a whisk and mix everything until it's well combined. It's going to be dry and really thick at first, and you're going to be tempted to add more hot sauce to loosen it up. But don't add any more hot sauce because that would make your batter too thin. Just keep on mixing and it'll loosen up itself. Once the batter looks like a pumpkin puree, set it aside and let's roast the jalapenos. Add whole jalapenos to a dry pan over medium-high heat. Now let them just sit there for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, start moving the jalapenos around. Would you look at that? I have a jalapeno trying to do the Macarena.
Ole, ole, hi Jose, a jalapeno on a stick. Get me out of here.
Continue moving the peppers around every couple minutes or so. Geez, what is going on here? I have one pepper trying to do the Macarena, and now this one's trying to salsa. After 10 minutes or so, the peppers will be nice and charred and soft. Remove them from the pan and set aside. I have my oil preheated to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop and scoop the batter into the oil. Once the batter's in the pan, since I'm not deep frying, you want to let it sit for about 1 minute and then turn them. Otherwise they're going to over brown on the bottom. After 1 minute, give them a flip and let them cook for 2 more minutes, flipping around every 30 seconds or so. After cooking for a total of 3 minutes, they're nice and golden brown and cooked through. Now remove them and drain them on a wire rack. Continue this process until all your batter is fried. And there you have it, deep fried hot sauce with roasted jalapenos. Realistically, I would not call these deep fried hot sauce, I would call them spicy Hush Puppies. With that said, they're absolutely delicious. The Frank's is definitely the dominant flavor. You can sit back, close your eyes, and bite into these, and it's like you're biting into crispy fried hot sauce. The dipping sauce makes these even better, which is equal parts ranch and more Frank's. These are not blow your head off spicy. They're mild enough for almost anybody to eat, and you actually get to enjoy the flavor of the hot sauce. Now it's time to say adios to Jose, the jalapeno on a stick.
Now get in my belly!
Geez, we're all doomed. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you give these a try. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.